This week I'm bringing you this turquoise bluish color. Last week it was a red. The week before it was a blonde. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna do the colors of the rainbow, but that would be cute. I wonder, how would I look in purple? Could this be the start of an adventure? Could be. What's up, kings and queens? It's your girl Zoe Sunshine here with a brand new episode. It has been raining I feel like it's been raining forever, to be honest. And I mean, showers of blessing. It was hella hot, so I appreciate feeling cool and nice and sweet. Yes. I have no idea what I'm gonna talk to you guys about today. I've been trying to wrap my brain and figure out exactly things are a bit of a mess right now, so I'm being cute and using a curtain to hide the mess. Yeah. So we are gonna do something about self-esteem. Let's talk about ways to help us improve our self-esteem today. 6 ways to improve your self-esteem. Let's go. 1, don't focus on letting go. Instead, focus on what you want to let into your life, what you are accepting into your life. I mean, we should focus on the exciting things, the exciting feelings, the good parts of our lives, our relationships, our habits that help to improve our life. So this is one that I do, especially when I'm annoyed or I'm pissed off or I'm angry. I tend to use the words never or always or nothing or every. It's so funny how we're quick to say, you know what, then I will never do this for you, or you do that every time, or you don't understand nothing. I mean, people understand. It's just that you can't be upset with them when there's one particular thing that they have a hard time wrapping their head around. Try not to use terms like the words that I used before. Change your thoughts by looking for alternative words. So instead of saying nothing, you could try saying there are some things that you don't understand and there are some things that you do understand. Or instead of saying never, you could say, well, this is something that I am not able to get right now, but eventually I will. Step 3, talk to yourself differently. So think of it this way. Consider somebody that you're really close to and think about the way that they talk to you. Think about the way that they care for you. Why not talk to yourself with that care? Instead of beating yourself down, why not uplift yourself? Why not tell yourself something good? Give yourself credit for small things. Step 4, we have to give ourselves credit for the small things. If you decided that tomorrow you're going to drink 2 bottles of water and that's what you do tomorrow, be like, yeah, I did it. Get grateful. Every morning when I wake up, I thank the Lord for being alive. Even if you don't believe in God or higher power, just be grateful. Be like, you know what? Thank you for waking up this morning. Thank your body for waking up this morning. So it's the small things. The last one, improve the moment. If you are going through a rough time, if your space feels negative, try doing something positive or fun or different to what's happening right now. So guys, in the comment section below, leave me some ideas or some tips that you use to build your self-esteem. Leave them not only for me, but for other people so that they can see the way that you work on yourself and they can learn from you and they can learn from me and we can all learn from each other, guys. So don't be afraid to leave a comment. Don't be afraid to share with a friend, and don't be afraid to hit that like, hit that notification, and get more from Zoe Sunshine. Have a great week, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.